I used to think I had to be better right away. Not just in the gym, but in life. Akala ko if I wanted to change, I could. Agad-agad. Lumaki ako na tinuturo sa akin ng nanay ko na walang imposible. Kung kaya nila, kaya mo din. And nadala ko yan until adulthood na kailangan pag may gagawin ako, magawa ko siya agad. Kailangan pag may matututunan ako isang bagay, kailangan ko gumaling agad. Kaso when you expect yourself to be great at one thing right away, every mistake feels like you're not built for it. Every bad day feels like a failure. Every mistake, big deal. Bawat slow progress feels like you're being left behind. And when you're constantly looking at other people, it gets worse. You see someone stronger, you see someone better, you see someone leaner on a bodybuilding sense. Pero sa ibang parts ng buhay, you see someone richer, you see someone more famous, you see people doing what they like to do na hindi sila stuck doing their day job to be able to provide for themselves and sa mga people around them. And dumating ako sa part ng life ko na siguro I guess some of you can relate na tinatanong mo yung sarili mo na why am I not there yet? Bakit hindi ko pa na-achieve yung mga gusto ko sa bagay na to? Bakit nagsastruggle pa rin ako after all this time na akala ko ang galing ko na dapat natutunan ko na to? And tatanungin mo, sobrang mali nito. Pero tatanungin mo yung sarili mo, bakit sa kanila andali? Diba? Parang andali. And eventually, darating ka sa point na tanungin mo yung sarili mo, what's wrong with me? Nangyari yun sa akin and honestly, I'm still struggling with it from time to time. And it affected my mental health, my peace, I guess. And nakalimutan ko na progress is not something loud all the time. Sometimes progress is quiet. Sometimes progress is just showing up even when you feel behind. And the funny thing is, the lesson na hinahanap ko just hidden in plain sight. Ito na yung daily routine ko. Bodybuilding. Because bodybuilding teaches you something very simple but something very powerful. You get better one rep at a time. Not one perfect day at a time, not one perfect month, not one massive breakthrough, but one rep at a time. Wala siguro sa atin na pumasok sa gym na nakapagbuhat ka agad ng sobrang bigat. Na nagkaroon ka agad ng magandang pump right away. Diba? We had to learn. We had to go dun sa struggle ng pagiging isang newbie. Ng pagiging naaralin lahat. Aralin mo yung form, aralin mo yung kung kailan ka magdadagdag ng weight. And even outside the gym, pag sa bodybuilding, aaralin mo yung calories, yung macros. Haaralin mo paano mo mapifit yun lahat sa buhay mo, sa lifestyle mo. And walang pumasok dito na magaling agad. Walang pumasok dito na marunong agad. So one rep at a time, gumagaling ka. Then magko-compound yun, gagaling ka over time. And somewhere along the way, magiging second nature mo na siya. Gagaling ka na talaga. Gagaling ka na sa pagbubuhat, gagaling ka na sa pagmamanage ng lifestyle mo around bodybuilding. And eventually, talagang matututunan mo mag-a-adjust ka. The routine that used to feel heavy starts to feel normal. The person who used to doubt himself starts to believe a little more. And that's the part I had to learn. You don't become better by hating yourself into improvement. You become better by choosing effort again and again, one rep at a time.
Sometimes I take a walk, then I forget about the clock. I can slow down. My friends are sitting laughing.
Alam mo, for a long time, I thought being hard on myself was the way to learn. Na pag kinikriticize ko yung sarili ko all the time, dun ko makikita yung lapses and dun ko parang hahanapin kung saan ako dapat mag-improve. But it doesn't work that way. At least, yung way na will give you peace. Through therapy, natutunan ko that there's a difference between pushing yourself and destroying yourself. There's a difference between wanting to improve and believing you are not good enough, so you will force yourself to improve. Malaking difference niya. And therapy taught me that. And another thing na therapy taught me is I have to learn how to trust. Trust in my faith, trust in myself, trust in the process of getting better, even if I'm not good at it yet. And akala ko alam ko na yun kasi lagi kong sinasabuhay yung progressive overload kahit saan ako mapunta eh. Pero yun, di ko pa pala siya alam until talagang, alam mo yun, parang you get deep inside your feelings and yourself na hukayin mo yun eh. And honestly, sobrang laking improvement doon sa life ko now. And that sounds very simple, but for me, ang hirap nun. Ang hirap nun magtitiwala ka sa mga bagay kasi gusto mo kontrolin lahat eh. Di ba parang that's another bad side for another day sa bodybuilding na maging controlling ka eh. Ayun, parang wala. You have to trust ka sa process. Trust mo yung sarili mo na eventually gagaling ka din. And itong mga ginagawa ko sa life, bodybuilding, work, and other ventures like social media, for a time, and I know now, nagsastruggle pa rin ako dito na parang ayoko na mag-post kasi wala naman napupuntahan eh. Pero kasi ginagawa ko yung sarili ko, sinasabihan ko yung sarili ko na kailangan sumabog agad yung mga videos mo eh. Kailangan marinig ka kagad ng mga tao, pero hindi eh. Kailangan ko dumaan sa process. And this is me going through the process. And ayun, hopefully someday mag-bear fruit. Pero ayoko nang ilagay yun sa utak ko na someday it will bear fruit. Ang gagawin ko lang is I want to get better in telling stories and sharing my experience. And maging masaya na ako doon. Wag na ako umasa, I guess, I have to be better at that na wag na ako umasa na, alam mo yun, may mangyayari dito, di ba? Parang me telling better stories, sharing what I've learned sa bodybuilding and sa fitness, maging enough na yan. Gumaling lang ako doon, enough na yan. And I guess I'm trusting the process kasi sometimes when you're rushing it, yung patience feels like a weakness. Pero yun nga, natutunan ko these past few months na I have many things to be grateful for and kailangan itong thing ko sa pag-fitness and pag-share ng story ko something that I do lang. Hindi siya parang nag-expect kasi ako eh. Dami ko expectations, yun din yung mali eh. Diba? Parang kung dami mong ine-expect sa sarili mo na feeling mo dapat na-achieve mo yung mga bagay na dapat mo ma-achieve, dun ka magkakaroon ng disappointment. Kaya I guess wala. Just feeling ko ito natutunan ko and I'm still getting better at it and just doing things because gusto mong gawin yung mga bagay and gusto mong mag-improve dun sa mga things na yun. And then, just like in bodybuilding, hindi magi-improve yung katawan mo overnight. Hindi porket gumawa ka ng 10 working sets today, tomorrow, ang laki na ng chest mo, ang laki na ng back mo. And just like in bodybuilding, if you keep on showing up and putting in the work, results will come. And then, this is a huge reminder for me and I guess sana nakatulong tong video na to to whoever watches na yun, just keep putting in the work, keep trusting God, trusting yourself na eventually you'll figure it out and someday yung gusto mong ma-feel na dapat mong na-feel now or yung hinahabol mong feeling. Pero honestly, yun lang naman yung gusto natin sa life eh, feeling of success, feeling of fulfillment. But feeling lang naman eh. Eventually, mafe-feel din natin yan. Just put in the work, trabaho lang, di ba? Yun lang. One rep at a time. So, yun. So, if you like the video, I guess welcome back ulit sa akin after a long time. Yun lang. Siguro gusto ko lang gumawa ng mga ganitong videos. No? Reminder lang din sa sarili ko someday na dumaan din ako dito. Diba? And kailangan daanan ko to. And hopefully, sa pagdaan ko dito, nakatulong din ako sa iba, di ba? Or kung wala, nakatulong ako sa sarili ko. So, ayan. So, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys soon. Again, this is One Campos reminding you to follow your passion. Kahit na 0.1% progress lang every day. Okay lang kasi it will all add up someday. Di ba? Sinasabi ko yun eh. Sinasabi ko yun, tas nakakalimutan ko. Kalokohan ka, Bon. Sige guys. Bye-bye. I'm out. Peace.